National Weather Service office at Greenville-Spartanburg. The preceding signal was a test of weather radio station KHC27's public warning system. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers can be automatically activated to warn of an impending hazard. Tests of the signal and receiver's performance are normally conducted between 11 a.m. and noon each Wednesday. If there had been a threat of severe weather, the test would have been postponed until the next available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast and the warning alarm will vary at any given location. Normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver. The warning alarm will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings. For station WXL70, broadcasting near Charlotte on 425 megahertz, the warning alarm will be activated for the following counties in South Carolina: Cherokee, Chester, Fairfield, Lancaster, Union, and York. And in North Carolina, Cleveland, Lincoln, Mecklenburg, Union, Richmond. This concludes the NOAA Weather Radio. All hazards to an alert test. This concludes the NOAA Weather Radio. All hazards to an alert test. Now for the official National Weather Service forecast for the Piedmont of the Carolinas, including Charlotte and vicinity. This afternoon, showers and thunderstorms likely.
Okay, I heard you the first time.
Southwest winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. Chance of rain 70%. Tonight, mostly cloudy with a chance of showers and thunderstorms until midnight. Then partly cloudy after midnight. Lows in the upper 50s. Northwest winds 5 to 10.
Okay, so something special about this weekly test, or at least special for me, that being the fact that in terms of weekly tests, this will be my final one in this room, this bedroom of mine. All these radios, this steel shelf, those pictures up there, oh, and also that. This will be my final weekly test, in this room, which, by the way, is to an apartment that I'm in. And that's because, by the next week will be by the time that I'll move to a house. So, new house, maybe new room, possibly different arrangements to my radios, maybe. Happening in about a week. Now I can't say if this will be my last award taken at this apartment, because well, these next few days and also today I was expected to have some storms today, so I'll see what those do for awards, but this won't be my final award, at least not for that. This will be my final weekly test though, taken at this apartment room. But other than that, at the snap of my finger, this whole room with all this stuff is going to be different. In 3, 2, 1, and whoa. In a whole new room. A whole new room now. And also that stuff there. It's as if I must have poofed and teleported out randomness. Well, ours. It's actually a week after I made that other video in which you just saw. And since yesterday, which if you're watching this from the future is May 21st, I'm in the 22nd now, would be the day that I would move into this house, which includes this room and that stuff. So, and I would also like to add that my two primary stations for my 12 desktop radios used to be only WXL70 and KHC27, but ever since I've been over here, it's now going to be WXL70 and KHC27, of course, but also KHC27.
Rain 40%. Sunday, mostly sunny in the morning, then partly sunny with a chance of showers and thunderstorms in the afternoon. Highs in the upper 80s. Chance of rain 50%. Sunday night, mostly cloudy with a chance of...
So, yeah, those three stations that are going to serve as my primary stations across my 12 desktop radios. And as for my 5 handheld radios, they'll be used for, well, I suppose for whatever stations within my reach to get. Wait, hang on. Required weekly test. Got a weekly test here. Wonder what this is about. Might as well go to part 2 of the new move for you to know what all this is about. This totally random weekly test.